can't believe nobody got hurt.
I'm surprised this lady, dude, was saved. That's the house we're gonna fix.
She was right in the path of the
Right
storm.
over there. All the roof just went off on it. Look at this.
Check these trees out, man.
There's a tent, John. There's a metal right there. It came off that house. Look at that. That's fucked
It's in the
up.
tree.
No shit. Look at all the debris over here.
Look at all this.
Wow. This lady is blessed, bro. Look at all that fucking metal.
She was in there hiding in the hood of that
God
bed.
was covering her, bro.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something. When shit like that happens,
Miracle.
she's been blessed by God, bro.
From the front of her house on down the road, it's tore up. Everything scattered.